Hey guys, AI video is getting good fast, but honestly, the most annoying part still hasn't changed. You generate a shot, the face morphs halfway through, the motion breaks, one tiny detail fails, and suddenly the whole clip is unusable, so you re-roll it again and again. That's why this new model caught my attention. A new model just dropped that does exactly that. Let's dive in. It's called SkyReels V4, and the reason I think this one matters is because it's trying to solve control, not just generation. A lot of AI video tools can make pretty shots now. That's not the hard part anymore. The hard part is keeping characters consistent, controlling motion, locking timing, and editing specific details without nuking the whole clip. The part I care about most is control, because AI video is not useful if every shot feels random. The biggest feature here is something called Omni Reference. And this is where things get interesting. Instead of throwing in one text prompt and praying the model understands what you meant, you can feed it actual references, images, videos, audio, multiple frames, even custom storyboard grids. You can also tag assets directly inside the prompt with @references, which honestly feels way closer to how real production workflows work. Instead of only typing a prompt and hoping the model understands, you can use image references, video references, audio references, multi-frame references, and grid references. You can also write prompts with @asset syntax, so the model knows which asset you mean. For example, I'd probably stress test this with something AI video usually struggles with: two people dancing in the same shot. So imagine Lara and Gigi doing synchronized TikTok choreography together. Same frame, fast motion, neon lighting, camera moving around them. That's normally where models start falling apart. Faces drift, clothing changes, somebody's arm melts into the background for no reason. But if SkyReels can actually keep both characters stable through the whole shot, that's a pretty big deal. With timeline-locked references, you can tell SkyReels which reference belongs to which second of the video. The opening pose, middle move, and final camera angle can follow your storyboard instead of randomly changing direction. SkyReels V4 also supports custom grid references. You build the storyboard structure you need, then have the video follow the frames in order. Here are the demo ideas I would show on screen. First, a samurai drinking coffee in a quiet cinematic cafe. Use the samurai as at image 1, then generate a slow camera push as he lifts the cup, takes a sip, and gives a small, calm smile. Second, a skillful woman violinist performing under stage lights. The camera moves around her, the bow movement stays believable, and the audio feels connected. Third, a cyberpunk race with a silver wide-body car drifting across a wet neon track. High-motion shots expose weak AI video fast. SkyReels V4 supports up to 1080p, 32 FPS, and 15-second generation, so this is exactly what I would test. The second big piece is editing. SkyReels V4 can add, remove, modify, and replace elements inside video. So instead of regenerating the full clip because one thing is wrong, you fix the part that failed. In the Lara and Gigi dance example, you could keep both women in the same shot, preserve the choreography, change wardrobe color, replace the background, or adjust a detail without throwing away the whole video. The brief also highlights native audio, dialogue, ambient sound, sound effects, and multilingual support. So one workflow can handle visuals, references, timing, edits, and sound. Now, obviously, I still want to test this outside of curated demos, but according to Artificial Analysis, SkyReels V4 recently ranked near the top of the live text-to-video leaderboard with audio, and their internal benchmark results also focus heavily on instruction following and multi-shot consistency, which honestly makes sense because that's exactly the area they seem to be targeting. Pricing is aggressive too. The brief says $1 equals 100 credits, and a 15-second 720p video starts around $2. My takeaway is this: random AI clips are easy now. Usable AI video is about control. If SkyReels V4 can keep references consistent, lock timing, edit details, sync audio, and still stay affordable, that is a much more serious production workflow. Try the Omni Reference workflow. Use it asset syntax, test it with a real reference, and see if you can direct the scene instead of gambling on prompts. The official SkyReels link is pinned below. Subscribe to AI Arena for more AI tools worth watching.